2 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
What time will it be when we land?
Roughly 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Anything else?
Damn. Will there be any turbulence?
Nope. Skies are clear.
There's more than one sky.
It's a figure of speech.
It's a figure of stupid.
We